Hey guys, happy St. Patty's Day. Don't forget to wear your green today. Just wanted to jump on and remind you to sign up for our free 3-day PA school application workshop coming up April 6th through 8th. We are going to be doing a different topic every day, from choosing the best schools for you and your stats, even if you have a low GPA or some other weakness, and personal statements, supplemental essays, how to write your strongest CASPA descriptions, everything you need to have a competitive, strong application. So don't miss that. It's totally free. This can make the difference between you getting acceptances or getting waitlisted and rejection. So don't miss it. April 6th through 8th. You can sign up in our bio link, or if you just comment future PA below, we will DM you the link to sign up. We can't wait to see you there. There's going to be giveaways and hot seats. And again, every day is a different topic, and we are going to show you exactly how to have your strongest application to catch the attention of the PA schools that you apply to, so you can land those interviews and get accepted. We cannot wait. We are counting down the days. Have an amazing St. Patty's Day, and catch you next time. Bye.